science bug.
What does an engineer do? Time to jump in the science bug and go investigate. We're here today to learn about electrical engineering. This is Chuck. He's an electrical engineer, and he's going to teach us about circuits today.
So you got to go out and get some sand, and you put it into a factory, and that factory goes through a very special recipe and cooks the sand in order to make silicon.
Circuits can contain all the following parts except A, electricity, B, wires, C, an energy source. We're at the Worcester Polytechnic Institute Engineering Lab. Here's what I learned about the lab from Shashu.
This is the machine shop.
All right, your challenge is this. Design the tallest tower you can. What is the name of this? Here's a hint. It contains many chips that need to be cut apart. Lauren is standing by with her Squirrel Report.
I saw one squirrel on my deck and I wanted to feed it. This here is the rodent mix. I put it in this little feeder.
How does the squirrel get the rodent mix out of the feeder?
She picks this up and pops her head in there.
If you'd like to learn more, visit our website at sciencebug.org.
Catch the science bug.